Hey guys, Chef Tony here. Today we're making some pretty quick and easy shrimp tacos. And we'll be topping those guys with some homemade mango and avocado salsa. Let's get to it. We'll knock out the salsa first, and if your time allows, I definitely recommend making this a day ahead. But either way, we'll start out with some fresh mango chunks. We'll follow those with some diced red onion, a little heat from some fresh diced serrano peppers, a couple handfuls of fresh chopped basil. Now things are starting to smell great, guys. Basil's aroma is almost intoxicating, which of course is a good thing. Season with a little coarse salt and black pepper to taste. Squeeze in the juice of half of a lemon and 3 limes. Quick tip, when juicing limes, they work differently than lemons, so for best results, slice off each end of the lime, quarter the lime long ways, then at the top point of each of the lime's quarters, you'll see this white pith area. You want to slice that off. Now you can juice and you should get a way better result than normal. Once all of your lime juice is in, stir everything together well, and then finally fold in, very carefully, some of your fresh avocado chunks. Careful not to completely mash all of your avocado. Set aside and preheat your grill set up for direct medium-high temperature grilling. Today I'm using my Napoleon Phantom Prestige, but as long as your grill will allow you to cook with direct medium-high heat, you'll be good to go. While preheating the grill, prepare the marinade for the shrimp, starting with some good quality fish sauce, a little soy sauce, a little fresh grated ginger to punch things up a bit, some fresh squeezed lime juice, a little fresh lemon juice. The citrus juices give this dish a nice brightness. It's almost refreshing. Onto some black pepper and coarse salt to taste. About 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, a handful or 2 of fresh chopped basil, a pile of fresh minced garlic, some fresh diced serrano chilies, and now blend everything together well and finally whisk in some sesame oil to bring it all together. Just add your shrimp to the marinade and let it meld with all those great flavors while preparing tortillas so they'll be hot and ready as soon as your shrimp come off the grill. Just lightly oil both sides of your tortillas and then grill them directly on your grids for about 45 seconds per side. Remove them to a plate and cover them with damp towels or damp paper towels. After 10 minutes of marinating, you want to get started on your shrimp pretty quickly. If you leave them too long, they will definitely come out very mealy and kind of mushy after cooking. I find the best method for grilling shrimp is in a perforated stainless steel wok set directly on the cooking grids. But however you normally grill your shrimp, that should work out just fine for this recipe. Allow your shrimp to grill undisturbed on the first side for a couple of minutes. You're trying to get a little char on that side. Then toss the shrimp around, and if necessary, turn the shrimp to their second side with a pair of tongs or a spatula. Let the shrimp grill another minute or 2, then add a couple large handfuls of whole basil leaves. Just allow the second side to char. Again, a total of 2 to 3 minutes. Toss everything around one last time, and then check to make sure that your shrimp are cooked to your liking. You're looking for all of the shrimp to have pink on them, a little char, and you're wanting wilted basil leaves. Once you're satisfied that everything's grilled to your liking, remove the shrimp and immediately begin putting your tacos together, topping your shrimp with some of the fresh salsa. Serve immediately and enjoy. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll subscribe to our channel for notifications on our latest videos, and I'd love it if you'd be so kind as to hit the like button. See you next time.